Everyone, welcome to Everything Google G Suite with Z, and today's 2-minute video we're looking at Google Drive, and in particular the ability to be able to set expiration dates for when you set Google permissions for files and folders. So let's get started. So once you're in your Google Drive folder, any folders or files you have shared, you'll see this little silhouette of a person. That basically means the file's actually shared or the folder's actually shared. I'm not going to go into details about how to share files and folders, I'll leave that for another video, but assuming you've got the file and folder in question and you're already sharing it with someone, all you need to do basically, if you right click, go to share, and what you need to do is click on the advanced option there, and I'll actually share this myself already, and what you'll see as I'm hovering over my name, you'll see this little timing there, little stopwatch timer here, and if you click on that you can now set expiration dates of when this file is shared with a particular user or a particular group. You can go up to 7 to 30 days, but you're actually going to put in a customized date. Now I've not checked how far it can go up to, but give it a try, but I believe it's quite a few months sort of thing. So there is one thing you need to keep in mind, is basically you can't set an expiration time, but you can set a date. Now it's quite a great feature especially if you're sharing files and folders with your classes, certain individuals, certain staff members, or if you're a business or an organisation, if you've got projects that are on the go. It's a great way of housekeeping some of the sharing permissions. So if you finish the project or whatnot, you can put in a deadline project time for that piece of work or that document. It's a great feature. It's been around for quite a few months, but I've only really started to use it the last couple of months. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.